So we should wait for lives to be lost before government takes action. Anand Ranganathan, are you getting this logic? Because I certainly am not.
Madhav, I'm just appalled and aghast that people can speak like this. I'm sorry to be so blunt here, but I congratulate you for taking this tough stand and asking tough questions. 3 very brief points. Number 1, the government is swift. The government is taking action. These charlatans, culpable murderers were running their entire outfit illegally. They had no NOC from the fire department. And you say the government is swift. And what about the, please don't interrupt me. When you talk of swiftness, let me tell you the facts. At 11:39, the fire started. At 1:17 a.m., they booked the tickets. And at 5:30 a.m., they escaped to Thailand. For 6 hours, they could not be detained. You call this swiftness? Even Bollywood police comes quicker. When you have a situation where you immediately know within 5 minutes who the owners are, they need to be arrested. When you know that they would try and escape, you cannot have a lookout notice or detain notice to all the airports where they might escape. In 6 hours, you can't do that. And secondly, when you talk of, no, please don't interrupt. Please, you've had your say. Now I want to say as a common man. Now please, I'm not talking to you. You should not be angry.
Let him make his point.
You should
You
not
can
be
come
angry.
in. And the others who have not yet spoken as well. We have a lot of time left.
Please allow me to finish. Please allow me to finish. Number 2, you remember how Malia was allowed to escape? There was a detain notice by CBI. Lookout notice was detained. Somebody changed it to inform. And 10 years later, Malia has still not come back. Now, Thailand, we might have an extradition treaty with Thailand. But do you know there are 3 land border nations with Thailand, Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, who do not have an extradition treaty with India? What is to say? Tomorrow these Luthra brothers will cross the border and then they'll be like Malia.
Very important point.
And you call that swiftness? Is it a joke out here? Who the hell are you?
No.
Who gave you the right to become politicians?
Let me.
You call it swiftness?
No personal remarks. No personal remarks. Let's keep our argument civil. I can understand the anger. Dr. Ranganathan.